Hello everyone, this is my oral presentation for English Level 2. First of all, I'm going to introduce myself. After that, I'm going to talk about my trip experience in Lake Calima. Then, I'm going to talk about the weather in Lake Calima. And to finish, I am going to give you recommendations if you're going to Lake Calima. This is me. I am Nidia Consuelo Muñoz Trujillo. I will work in Buga. I am love solely in Buga. I am a receptionist in a hotel. I am single. I am with my dad and mom. I like to spend time with my dad. Go to the park and go to the gym. Okay, let's continue. With my trip experience at Lake Calima. Last weekend, I went to Lake Calima. I stayed there one day. I went with my dad and mom. We went safe in Lake Calima. We liked this place because it was quiet and cheap. I just paid 95,000 for the day for the house, but we enjoyed the tour. I liked it because we were playing and reading in the toll gate. We were happy for that day. I went to share with my family because at the dedicated little time. We enjoyed my visit Lake Calima. I like a lot. I came back in August ago because I started with working and studying. The weather in Lake Calima is cool, but the experience is wonderful. Now, I want to beat two tips if you plan to going to Lake Calima. First, it is recommendation you do wear shirt. It is important that you apply sun care. It is important that you wear sunglasses. It is necessary that you wear your comfort shirt going to the Lake Calima. It is important that you wear the life jacket. It is go area go practice parapente in the lake. It is good idea to jump in bungee jumping. It is a great experience. It is important that you drink water. It is important that you take pictures. What you should do if planning go to Lake Calima, you should do the hotel reservation in advance. You should have a done for trip. You should have a round trip transportation. You should go in sailing of the lake in a raft. Better are going to use one means of transport because there one public service bus for Lake Calima. You should not practice extreme water sport without the necessary physical conditions. Thanks.